वो कोई hard task master नहीं है. He just is a perfectionist.
But she is looking at something, but she's looking at something in a whole different universe.
Hey Bollywood Live viewers, this is me Manisha Jha, and today I'm with the spectacular cast of Heera Mandi. To begin with you, Manisha ma'am, always have been the fan and once again a bow. So so I'll start with you ma'am. You know, your character is very cold-hearted and very staunch, and we know you, and it's very unbelievable to see that, okay, she can be so ruthless, so harsh. So how was that entire getting into the Mallika Jaan?
Basically, I have to say that only Sanjay could see me doing such character. And it's something I've never touched or felt comfortable, or been, actually, to be very honest, never been offered something like this.
Okay.
You know, but when Sanjay gives any role to anybody, any of us, we will grab it. Because small, big, evil, good doesn't matter.
Yeah.
What matters is he's going to do full justice to the character that he offers. And I mean, it was... for me to play Mallika Jaan, I had never imagined it'll be like that, you know. But I followed the way Sanjay had envisioned, the way he explained to me, and it's not only totally dark; it has some layers, which probably come later on. And so one feels whether you hate her or you love her. You don't know. You know. So it's. I'm exceptionally happy to be doing Mallika Jaan, and be directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Awesome. You know, Richa, your character shows the different layers of the girl who is madly in love, and then there's one particular scene when, you know, she tells you that this is the last time you have to see the lover, and then that scene really gripped us. Like, it was a wow moment. So I want to know from you that did you take any reference from any character of yours, or did you see anywhere, or how did it come up from?
So when I was offered this part, Sanjay sir said that I've kind of written it with you in mind.
Okay.
So come and you know, just do a look test for this. At that time he said, I need someone who can bring the gravitas of Meena Kumari to this part.
Correct.
And not just her on-screen persona, but also her life, how tragic it was, sometimes how lonely it was. And I just wanted to bring that kind of humanity to these women's lives, you know, because I was aware, now that you've seen the episodes, you know what happens. I was aware that I have that much time to play with it.
Correct.
And it's different from the others in the sense that everyone has a motivation, like, you know, Alam wants to escape through poetry. Sanjeeda has revenge on her mind. She wants total power and control. So everyone had something to do, but there was this one character who just wanted a normal life.